Hello viewers, welcome to Zeegoals. Today my topic is cut, copy and paste use in Camtasia. So in this video we will learn that how we can cut, copy, paste and split our video in Camtasia Studio. So I have a video in my timeline. So in this bar you can see some buttons like undo, redo, cut, split, copy and paste. We will use these options on our video. First I want to delete something, and if you need this area again, so click on undo. So you can see we have again this area, and if you want to redo, so you can click on redo. I'll just now click on undo this everything. Then we have cut option. If you want to cut your video, so first select your video, then click on cut and move your playhead where you want paste this video. This will be pasted where you position your playhead, then click on paste. So you can see I will get this video over here. Then we have split option. If you want to split your video, so first select any part of the video and click on split, and you can see we have this video split in half. Then we have copy. Now I'll just undo this. Then we have copy option. So if you want to copy this video, so first select it, then move your playhead where you want to copy this video and click on paste. Now if you want to remove any part from your video, so first select any part, then click on cut. So here you can see this stitch mark. So in that way we can do editing in our video. So it was today's topic. If you wanna learn, so keep watching my videos. Thank you.